welcome back to my cross-stitch channel. My name is Leslie and I make videos in Russian and English, and it's all about cross-stitching. Welcome. Today's video, I want to show you what I've been cross-stitching in January of this year, 2022. And I want to also share with you my cross-stitching plans for February and what I'm going to be doing in February. So let's start with January. In January, I've been cross-stitching two projects. One of them I've finished and the other one I've just started. Let's start with the finished project. This is the one. This I've been cross-stitching. This is from a British cross-stitch magazine. Like a floral composition, abstract floral composition. I really like it. It was so easy to make. This is 14 count Aida fabric. I don't know the maker of it because I just had like a piece of Aida fabric at home and I just used it. There are about 7 colors in this project, and I've been using DMC floss for this. I love the colors, and the only back stitching here is this. Everything else here doesn't have any back stitching, so it's very easy, not complicated. Took me, I don't know, about maybe 10 days, even less than that, to cross stitch this. I think this was beautiful. I'm really pleased with the result. The other project that I've been working on, let me just put this aside and get it. I'll show you the preview first of the project. This is by Magic Needle, a Russian manufacturer. This is what it looks like. This is the preview. And just let me get the fabric. This is what I've been cross-stitching. It's not much, but this is kind of complicated. This one is, I mean, the chart is easy to follow. I'll just show you a little bit of the chart. Not the whole chart, but just so you can get an idea. This is what the chart looks like. It's very easy to follow. The symbols are very easy. But this has about 47 colors in it. And you have to change floss very, very often. And it's like you have 2 crosses with one color, 3 crosses with the other color, and maybe 5 crosses with a third color. And this is how it is all the time. But I think it's very beautiful. And I can show you just a second. I'll get my crayon. Oh, my pencil. This is about what I've been cross stitching. This part is this here. Not that much, but as I said, it's very complicated. It's not easy. It's challenging, but I really like it. I'm gonna be continue cross stitching this one. This is the first time I've been using this kit. I've never cross-stitched something from this manufacturer before, Magic Needle. And I wanted to show you the floss. This is Russian-made floss, which is called Gamma. It's probably not as good of a quality as DMC, but I'm still very pleased with the result. I think that they're easy to use, and they will get the job done. So it's the floss is okay. It's good. Not as good as DMC, but still good, and it will get the job done. It's 47 colors here. Very nice. And I also want to say a little bit about the fabric. I am going to be asking my Russian subscribers, Russian-speaking subscribers, if they know what the manufacturer of this fabric is. Because it doesn't say here. All it says here that it's 14 count Aida fabric, but not the manufacturer, because I was very, very surprised, nicely surprised. This fabric, it's very hard, very stiff, but because of the stiffness of the fabric, the crosses here are so nice and neat and even, and they look the same. So I was very, very pleased with that. And the other thing also is like if you take here, it does not, the fabric doesn't peel off here. Like if you take this one, this fabric here, it is very, very soft. And because of that, I think that you see what happens. It starts to peel off, and I don't like it. Here, it doesn't do that. Not even once it did this. It's so hard. It stays intact. It doesn't fringe. I don't know what the word for that is. So I was very pleased with that, and I'm going to be asking my Russian-speaking subscribers about this particular fabric, because I want to buy it, because I cross-stitch a lot of charts that I buy separately, not kits, and I want to use this fabric. So my plans for February cross-stitching plans are, I'm going to be continuing cross-stitching this this beautiful kit, and I'm hoping that I can cross-stitch these flowers here and maybe up to here. I don't think I'll be able to cross-stitch the water here and the sky, but I will be also cross-stitching one more kit. This kit here that I've just received. This is from Adriana, Russian kit. It's not very big. 13 by 28 centimeters. I don't know exactly what that is in inches, but it's not big. And I hope that I'll be able to finish this one in February. So these are my plans, and I'm going to be making a separate video about this one, unpacking this and see what's in there. And I hope you subscribe, because there's lots more to come. I hope you have a great day and a great week. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.